Before I start this rant, to anybody who likes airplane, I will respect your opinion. Enjoy. Airplane? What like helicopter? Oh my god. This is the worst episode by Toro Baby. It's a huge one off the Jelly Jam at Jungle Junction.
Jungle Joe.
Shut up.
Huh?
And was way better than this.
What you said to me?
And this is a rejected version of Jelly Jam in Jungle Junction. Marika is dumb. Bowman is dumb. And he's a nerd. Or he actually looks like a sun or a planet or a star. He acts a star. It's a planet, not a star. It's not gonna be fair. So poop airplane. So poop Betty and the Ink Machine. Jungle Junction is web 100 times better. Airplane.